Hello, dear friends. Today I want to share some of my experiences about the rooftop solar power plant installed at my residence by Suntex company. My name is Parmjit S Bains. I am a retired chief engineer from an electricity utility. I installed this solar power plant in the month of August 2021 by Suntex Energy company. Now it is FE Energies. The capacity of the rooftop solar plant is 7.28 kilowatt. I am availing 12 kilowatt sanctioned load by the electricity company, which is the capacity of the solar plant is 7.28 kilowatt, which is less than 80% of the sanctioned load as per the norms of the electricity company. The generation till today, which is 19th August 2023, is more than 20,000 units, which means that it has generated more than 2 lakhs rupee amount till today. The cost of the plant in the month of August 2021 is about 3 lakhs 50,000. Till date, the plant has generated more than 2 lakhs amount. So it means that the plant will generate the cost of the installation within more than 1.5 year. It is also added that the company has installed a very strong hardware infrastructure. Company has also given the application on my mobile by which I can check the real-time generation, whole day generation, last day generation, month generation, last month generation, years generation, and up to the date generation also, which is very beneficial. I also want to share that the company employees are very cooperative. Whenever I need their advice, they are always available to me at my mobile and give valuable suggestions, advices about the working of the solar power plant. I am fully satisfied by the working of this rooftop solar power plant. I am residing at house number 1026, sector 69, SAS Nagar, Mohali, Punjab. Anybody want to see the power plant can come to me and have a look at the plant, and also the units generated by the solar power plant. I have to make this video near the power plant due to hot season. It is not possible. I am going to share some of the pics of the solar power plant and inverter also after this video. Yo, thanks for listening. Thank you very much.